Hi there, students. Jocular and jocund. Okay, these are two slightly different adjectives, but they're both very close together. Jocularity would be the noun, and I guess jocularly. And then jocund, jocundity or jocundness and jocundly. Okay, so let's see. Firstly, I think jocular is much more common than jocund. Let's see. I think jocular talks about jokes. Yeah, somebody who's always making jokes. Yeah, so it was a very jocular evening. We were making lots of jokes. I think you can also describe a person as jocular. They're humorous, they're amusing, they're happy and upbeat. Jocund, on the other hand, I think I would only use to describe a person. Yeah, and I would use this more to describe a person who's upbeat and happy. Yeah, somebody who is light-hearted and merry, in high spirits. So I think jocular you can use for both. He's a jocular and jocund individual. Yeah, so they're slightly different, but I think jocular is more about making jokes. But you could say he's a jocund fellow. He's a jocular fellow, but you could say he's a jocund fellow as well. Yeah, that's talking more about light-heartedness. Yeah, his jocundity. He's famous for his jocundity. Okay, so jocular, jocularity, the noun. Yeah, he's known for his jocularity, although I think the noun jocularity is even more strongly associated with jokes. So, when the teacher fell over in class, there was great jocularity. Yeah, everyone was making jokes about it. Everyone was laughing. So jocularity, I think this is where everyone is laughing about something. Okay, so jocularity, there was great jocularity. Whereas he jocularly helped me, he happily and helpfully did this for me. Okay, and then jocund. Jocund is, it says that somebody who's upbeat, who's happy. So jocular, characterized by joking and good humour, or light-hearted and as a joke. And then jocund, somebody who's got a humorous temperament, somebody who's happy, who's very upbeat. Yeah, so everybody was very jocund and really enjoyed themselves. Yeah, everyone was very jocular as well. I think you can use them more or less interchangeably, although there is a subtle difference between the two. Let's see, as to formality, I would say jocular, I think I'm going to give it a 5.5, whereas jocund, I think I would give it a 6.5 in formality. Jocular is commonly used, jocularity commonly used. Jocund, this is a rarer, much more poetic or more formal word. And then as to origin, okay, both of these words come from Latin. Jocular comes from jocularis in Latin, which means a joke or a jest, yeah, or a form of amusement. Whereas jocund itself comes from jocundus, from juvo, to delight or to please. Whereas jocund, whereas jocular comes from jocularis. Okay, so notice as well the word a joke is definitely linked to these two roots. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Jocular and Jocund.